Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name's Matthew, and in this video, we're making cantaloupe soup. I have 2.5 pounds of cantaloupe that I've peeled, de-seeded, and chunked up, and going to take it, I'm going to put it in the bowl of my blender. To the cantaloupe, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of Gewürztraminer. Now, I'm going to buzz it up in my blender. Pour our soup to a clean bowl. I think just a squeeze of lime help bring out that cantaloupe-ness in it. Give that a stir. Now I'll cover our soup with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator until it's nice and cold. We'll serve it up. I have some of our cantaloupe soup. Let's give it a taste. Big cantaloupe taste. Delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make cantaloupe soup. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.